Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amit. Last video we have learned about the formatting, HTML formatting. So today we will learn another topic. Let me open the document. Formatting. So today we will learn HTML quotation and comments. How to use quotation elements and how to comment the code. Okay. So first we will learn quotation. So what is the quotation, HTML quotation and citation elements? In this chapter, we will go through the blockquotes elements, Q elements, abbr, address tag, and city tag, and b2 tag, b2 element tag. Okay. So here first we will learn why use the blockquotes element for making the quotation. Okay. So the HTML blockquotes element define the section in this quotes from another source. Means if you use any website, if you use any paragraph, and inside the paragraph we need to use some link, we need to use some link between the paragraph. So in that case we need to use block quotes. I will show you how to use. First open the notepad, and write the code. What is the my initial tag? Doc type HTML. Okay. Open the HTML tag and close the HTML tag. Inside the HTML, we will open the head tag and close the head tag. Inside the head tag, we need to define title. What's the title? Quotation elements. Okay. Close the title, and outside of head, open the body. And close the body tag. So first we will create one paragraph. This is the paragraph tag. Okay. Inside the paragraph, we will use block quotes element. Okay, block quotes element, and show you how it will look like. So block quote, okay, and use here block quotes element and close the block quotes. Open and close block quotes. Close this. Okay, and inside the block quotes we will write something. In the block quotes, inside the block quotes, just copy this one. Inside the block quotes, just copy some random text and paste this one and save it. Save inside the desktop quotation dot html. What is the extension? HTML. Save it. Open this one. So as you can see, this is the paragraph. I will write the paragraph, and whatever content I mentioned inside the block quotes elements. So see, it will formatted. See, whatever content mentioned inside the block quote. So it will formatting the text. It will define the proper way. If I remove, I will show you. If I remove this one, this quotes tag and this quotes tag, so see, this type of looks like. See, this is the looking like this. Okay. So for making the formatting, block quotation. We will use quotation for design the for designing the elements, designing the content, design the content which type which looks like. Okay, so like this, it will it will looking like this. We'll use the q tag. Q tag. Why use the q tag? HTML q for short quotation. Q for short quotation. Short quotation. I'll show you the q tag. Why use the q tag? Same p tag will open. Same p tag will open and close this one. And inside the p tag, I will write some paragraph. I will write this one. I will write this paragraph, and inside the paragraph, just build a future where people live in harmony with the nature. Okay, this content we will close inside the quotation. Okay, this one only, this one, this content only we will put inside the short quotation tag, and see how it looks like. See, it looks like this. Both side, single quotation, double quotation, whatever content, build a future where people live in harmony with nature. So same content displaying inside the double quotation mark. If you use q tag, so same content display inside the double quotation mark. And if you use block quotes, so it's looking like this. It will formatting properly in left and right side both spaces. It will cover both space in the left side and right side. As you can see here, right side and left side both space it will cover. Okay, so for using block quotes, and if you use q tag means short quotation, short short quotation. Okay, short quotation, okay, short quotation, q tag, q element, okay, like this. And move to the next, abbr. Abbr means abbreviation means tag define the abbreviation equivalent like html, css, and emr sort, whatever short name you want to display. So it will abbr provide the short, whatever short content will define the full form of short contents, I will show you. Abbr tag provide the full form of uh, short content, making abbreviation can give useful information. See, this is the useful information of the browser, translation system, of search engine. Useful information. If I will show you, I will use the p tag, close the p tag, and use the abbr element. Use the abbr element, and here open the abbr and close the abbr. Close the abbr, and inside the abbr we'll write the html. Okay, and inside the html, what is the html full form? Hypertext markup language. So we'll define inside the title, title equal to hypertext markup language, and I will show you. So as you can see, whatever I will use the html content here inside the abbr tag. So see, it's looking like this. And if you already provide the title here, right? You will provide the title here, so it will provide the full form of this one. If you remove the title, if you remove the title and refresh it, so there are no means of html. What is the html? I don't, no means if you remove the title. So here with abbr, tag, title attribute is the compulsory for use, for in abbr elements, with abbr elements, title elements is the important. Okay, if you not mention, so no use of using abbr. David. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. And address element used to provide the address, and it will display as a proper format. It will display as a proper format. I will show you. First, I will display the address inside the p tag, and after that, we'll use inside the address element. Okay. In the p tag, I will use house number 101. House number 101. Hyderabad, Telangana, and 50016 like this. I will show you how it's looking. So as you can see, your address looking like this in one line. It's looking in one line. Okay. If I will use inside the address tag, if I will use address tag, just a minute, I will show you. If I want to display house number in one line and Hyderabad, Telangana display in second line and pin code display in the third line. If I use inside the paragraph, so if I refresh, so it will display in one row. It will display in one row because this is the inline element. If I use here address tag, if I use the address tag and close the address tag also, close the address tag, and then I will refresh the page after using address. So it's looking like this. It's looking like this. It will display in proper structure way. It will show in proper structure way. Okay. So address tag define contact information for author or owner for document and article. The content information can be as email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media, everything you can mention inside the address tag. And it will display as italic format. It will display as a italic format. Okay. And CT element, HTML city for work as title. City element use city element. I will show you. Copy this one. City element tag define the title of creative work. The title of creative work. Whatever important work you mention, I will show you. See here, city, inside the city. I have mentioned only the stream. Okay, and other thing inside the paragraph. I will show you how it's looking like. See, the scrum, whatever content mentioned inside the city tag, so it will display as italic, and other text display as a normal format. So for making a importantness, text, whatever text you're important and you want to display as italic only the important text, so you can use city tag. A person name is not title of work. The text in the city element usually render as italic. As you can see, whatever text you mention inside the city, it will display as a italic format. And B2 tag means bidirectional override. B2 tag, you can use the direction element, dir direction element, and you will provide the direction of the text. RTL means right to left, and LTR means left to right. I will show you how it looks like. B2 tag means bidirectional override. Full form of B2, bidirectional override. I will show you how it's looking like. First, direction provide by RTL. Direction attribute is compulsory. So here direction provide RTL. RTL means right to left. This text will be written from right to left. I will show you. Save this one and refresh the page. So as you can see, this text, it takes this one display as a right to left, right to left. And if you change this one left to right, left to right, so it will display as a proper way. It will display as a proper way. Actually, by default, text display like this. So if you want to display as a right to left, so you can use here. You can use here one attribute direction attribute RTL right to left. So text will display in the right to left. Okay, as you can see. So these are the quotation elements. These are all quotation elements we have learned here. abbr tag, address tag, abbr define the abbreviation of acronym abbr. Okay, are providing the useful information of any short short content. And address tag define the address in a proper formatting way, and it will display as italic format. We do define the text direction. We do the compulsory one attribute is compulsory, that is called dir direction. So you will provide the direction. Based on the direction it will display. Black quotes or define the quoted of another source. Okay, it will display in the proper structure way, like left and right both space it will handle. And city tag define the title of work, means whatever title is your important in your between the text, so you can use a city, and it will display the italic format. Q for short quotation. Yeah, whatever content mentioned inside the Q tag, it will display the double quote inside the double quotes. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. So next topic here, HTML comments. So comment tag. So how you will use the comment tag. Comment first, I will explain comment, why use the comments. Comments will provide inside the code for whatever comments you mention in your code, it will not rendered. Okay, it will not display in the output. It is only for developer purpose. It is for only developer purpose. Okay, developer trying to understand if one developer write the one method, and if he mention the comment, what about the method, what is the function of method, everything explain inside the comments. So if another developer are coming, so he he will see the comments and understand the method, about the method. Okay, so HTML comments are not displayed in the browser. Whatever comments you mentioned inside the code, so it will not display in the browser. Comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help documents of your HTML source code. Okay, this will store the information about your code. Okay, so in the HTML you can use like this one. I will show you here. After this I will use one comments. First open this one, exclamation, double hyphen, and mention this is the comments. This is the comments, and close this one and save this. So you can see this is not displaying in your browser. See, it is not displayed, right? You mention here, use the abbr element, you mention here, but it is not displayed. It is for only developer purpose. Okay, for trying to understand what about the p tag, why use the p tag. So you can mention here, this is the this p tag, you can write like this p tag store the information of abbr element, like this you can mention. So if another developer are coming, and he just see this comment, and he understand what purpose of this tag. Okay, so there are for HTML comments using for the source code purpose, help but they can help document your HTML source code. You can add comment in your HTML source by using the following syntax. This syntax, add comments, you can add like this. Content and not whatever you mention inside the comment tag, so it will not display inside the browser. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. So we will meet on the next video. Thanks for watching my video. In the next video, we will learn HTML color and CSS. Okay. So thanks for watching my video.